So I made a video before about soft spots in bathroom floors, and now I want to show you how we avoid them, what we do to avoid them. So we use this Magic Splash Guard kit, and let me show you what it does. So here is the splash guard, and it's got an adhesive backing on it, and you just peel it off. It's peel and stick, which is great. Here's the other one on this side. So what happens is water will come down here, and without the splash guard here, it's going to run down onto the floor, and it'll get underneath your vinyl or whatever you have here. And if it's a wood floor, it'll deteriorate it. The one thing to keep in mind with these is the one problem with it is it has a little gap here, and water can get through there as well. And if you can see, it doesn't always seal great because the tile isn't perfect. So, but this one little issue here, that's something you gotta take care of. So what we do is we like to caulk that. So let me show you what it looks like after we caulk it. So here it is, all caulked in. We caulked those holes, as you can see, and we got it from the other side too. This one's caulked as well, and I am not the best at caulking, so that is why I didn't display my caulking ability. If you think you're better than me at caulking, I 100% agree with you. I'm sure you are. But this is how you learn. This is how I learned. I'm getting better, so if you don't know how to do things like this, just give it a try and do it over and over, and you'll get better at it. So hope this helped, and I hope you learned a little bit more about splash guards. Thanks a lot.